So just what you guys asked for, a new streaming application giving you access to live TV channels, specifically local live TV channels that you can enjoy on all of your devices. Now this application is absolutely free. As you can see, it has a fully working EPG, the electronic program guide. It doesn't need any kind of mouse toggle, and I'm really looking forward to sharing it with you. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Okay, so I'm doing my demonstration on the brand new 4K Firestick Max, the one with the new remote control. In fact, do leave me a comment below if you've already purchased this device and what you think of it. Now, although I'm doing this demonstration on that device, you can follow this process on any other Android device, including your Android TVs like your Nvidia Shield or your Chromecast with Google TV. Now to start the process, just head over to Settings, click on MiFi TV, click on Developer Options, and where it says Install Unknown Apps, let's click on that and just make sure you've enabled the option for Downloader. And this just means that we can download application files through Downloader. Once you've done that, let's now press the home key, and we're now going to make a quick connection to my website, which you guys know is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in the short code 53402. Type that in, click on go, or just press the play button on your remote. Now when you get to my website, you want to head over to the hamburger menu, which is the one with the 3 lines. Click on that and then click on tutorials. And the latest tutorial in the list will be how to get this new BL TV application on all of your devices. Let's click on that, and let me just take this opportunity to say a big shout out to Troy Point from troypoint.com, who's actually the person who told me about this application. And if you guys are not following him, you definitely should. Do check out his website and YouTube channel for the latest streaming news, streaming tips and tricks, and streaming applications. Okay, let's open that up. Here we are, and I mean, with the demise of the low-cost application, which I know so many of you were using and lots of you were asking for an alternative for that, I think this application really does fit the bill. So let's scroll down. We can see that it is available for both Android TV and your Amazon devices. So local BTV is the application name. We can see it does have a really nice APG. It's available in 14 of the US markets, so you do have to be in one of those 14 locations to access the service, or in my case we can see I've used IPVanish. Here we can see other locations, and then depending on your location will determine what channels you see. Let's scroll down. Now the application will ask you to register for a free account. It's just an email address and password, and you will have to enter in a zip code. Now in my example, I've used this zip code over here, but of course you can find any zip code online, or if you are in the United States, of course you can use your own zip code. Scroll down, and we have 2 links for the software. So if you are going to do this on an Android TV device, or in my case a Firestick, this is the link that you need. If you want to use this application on your cell phone, on your tablets, basically touchscreen devices, go for the second link. I'm going to go for the first one. Let's click on that. If you see an advert, let's just click on close. Scroll down, and you're looking for that green download button. Let's click on that, and this will download the application directly onto your device. And if any of you guys are still here with me, then if you drop a like on this video and leave the comment #BLTV, then I know you made it this far in the video, which I always appreciate. I'll then heart your comment. Thank you. Okay, let's click on install. Give that a second. That's now all done. Let's now press the home key, and here is the new application. So local BTV, let's open that up. Now when you start the application for the first time, it asks you to go to a web address and type in the activation code. So let's do that now. And in my example for this demonstration, let's say I'm watching from Los Angeles. Let's jump over to my PC. So I can just open up a browser and go to activate.localbtv.com. Let's do that now. And what I need to do now is just enter in a zip code. So I'm going to go for 90012. I can now click on check availability. It says to me that this is available for me. I can now just type in any email address to register an account. So no confirmation, no checking, just type in any email address. Let's just use this one over here. Type in the password, click on sign up, and literally within a few seconds, you'll receive an email saying that you've now fully activated, and you can then enter in the activation code. We can see without me doing any editing or cutting or tweaking, that's gone straight in. I can now enter in the activation code where we can see on my Firestick it was 621227. Let's type that in. So 621227. Click on activate. That's now activated. We can now jump back to my Firestick. We can see it's now refreshing. If you press down on the remote, and we can now see the fully working EPG. Now if I scroll to the right, you can now see what's coming on now, what's coming on next, and what's available on those different channels. I mean, here we can see some shopping with QVC. If I click on that, I get the option to watch live, or you can even record if you want to. But in my example, I'm going to click on watch live, give that a second, and that's working absolutely fine. Now, just to give you that more cable TV-like experience, when you are inside a channel, if you press left or right on the remote, we can see that automatically moves you over to the next channel. Here we can see some local news. Let's keep going. And this is some other local channel there. So very easy to navigate, very easy to move around. And anytime you want to go back to the EPG, just press down on the remote, and we can now see exactly what's happening in this application. You also have the option to customize your visible channel set. So if I go over to the right, here we can see, I mean, if you do want to use recording feature, you'll see the recordings here, the schedule here. But in my example, if I go over to customize channels, here we can see all of the channels that are available to me. But let's say, for example, I'm not interested in QVC. I can press the button next to that, and we see that now becomes grayed out. So this way I can say I'm not interested in this or this or this, and this then customizes the channels that are available for you. So when you are inside a channel, when you are pressing left or right to cycle between them, you won't see these channels anymore because you've now deselected them. So that's all for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. As I mentioned before, since the end of, or the demise of Locast, lots of you are looking for the best way to watch local channels on all of your devices. I do think this application definitely is worthwhile checking out. So if you did find this video useful, then do give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, then please do subscribe, hit the notification bell with all notifications, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.